Next, we have both from engaging performances from some of the most talented singers in our community. Okay, we have a lot in store at the Annie Song and Singing session happening in just a bit. Ano bang may expect nila sa ating next segment, Ate Fang?
Kakanta ko.
Kakanta ka na. Ikaw na yung ikaw na yung contestant.
Nakataon na dito boses.
Oh, yun lang.
Si Ads daw kakanta. And the first day of the Cosplay Match Series 2025, there will be a performing the songs from the anime, movies, and games that we have become love and cherish. Get ready for the incredible musical experience because this is
The Annie Song and Singing Contest!
Kanta na! Kumain na ba kayo ng mati? Hindi ko ito. Kain tayo.
We're also pleased to announce that this contest is powered by our incredible partners, Glamazon Boutique, Koreana K-Shop, and Wotaku-chan Shop.
Ang Sonics is our classic and lively singing contest where the participants will be performing the songs from anime, J-pop, J-rock, and more.
More and more and more. And dahil more and more and more, while the songs don't have to be in Japanese, they must be featured in Japanese anime, movies, video games, or related media.
The contest has been one of the most popular, which just showed that eager our singers are sure to brand to our music, to the audience. And para malaman ang ating mga winners, their performance will be evaluated based on the following criteria.
First up is voice quality, which will be 50% of their score. This refers to the quality and clarity of the singer's voice, as well as their proper use of diction.
Yes, and performance quality is 40%. This refers to the overall quality of the performance, including the synchronization of the vocals with the music as well as their overall stage performance or presence.
Yes, and last of the criteria, guys, audience, my beloved audience, you guys have another participation in this next segment because you can cheer for your favorite singer. Audience impact is 10% of the overall score, and it is how well the performance inspires you guys, the audience, to react or sing along. All these criteria add for a total of 100%.
The second high score will be the name of Anison A1 runner-up, and the contestant with the best score will be named the Anison A1 champion. Our winners shall receive our certificates and cash prizes and merchandise. Wow, may pa-merchandise.
Merchandise,
Plus a
yes.
guaranteed slot on the biggest contest for the anime and gay music scene each year for the Cosplay Mania Karaoke Cup in 2026.
And to determine our winners for today, we have assembled an extraordinary panel of judges. Our first judge has been a cosplayer since 2001 and a former vocalist slash rapper for an anime cover band. He often joins both cosplay and karaoke contests, winning numerous awards over the years. He is a host for Usapang Cosplay PH and a writer for the gaming website One More Game. Everyone, please give a round of applause for Ricky Buzo!
Ricky! Ready na eh, no? Our second judge, eto na naman kami. Started the cosplay in 2013. O sige, ikaw lamang una. A cosplayer, photographer, and music artist. Lead vocalist of K-pop and J-rock inspired the band Look Out, which had won many battle of the dance competitions. A solo performer has won awards and notable anime singing contests. Most recently as champion and event in Mindanao. Oh, look good. He has since judged several events, including previous edition of the Cosplay Match Series. Please welcome our friend, TCY!
Our third and final judge is an accomplished musician who was the Philippine representative to the Haneda International Anime Music Festival in 2016. He is the founder and vocalist of J-cover band Moonspeed. He is also the songwriter for the Cosplay Mania theme song. Guys, let's put our hands together for Ash!
Yes. At so, pwede na. Wapo. Okay, now, nakilala na natin ang ating mga judges. It's time to call our first contestant. Our first contestants from the series Murder Drones, please welcome on stage Miss Vanica Robo. Hello!
Hello po.
Ay, nakakapagsalita.
Yes po.
Yan. So, ano yung kinakosplay mo ngayon?
I am cosplaying as Sin or Sinesa from Murder Drones.
Okay, ready ka na ba? Is this your first time?
Not really.
Not really.
Yes,
How many
po.
times? Ilang beses mo nang sumasali sa mga ganitong
Multiple po, and I also perform kasi po eh.
Yes, okay, sige. Palakpakan natin, Miss Vanica Robo. Yes, thank you very much. Wow, may pa-standby. Contestant number 2 from Marvel Cinematic Universe as Deadpool. Please welcome Nike. Hi, Nike. Isang magandang mic. Okay, kaya di ba mga gamit mo? Pambasta ito ah. Bagay sa akin. Hello! So, ilang taon naman ang preparation mo para makasali dito sa studio? Ano so? Ilang buwan ang preparation? Too many to count. Wala po pa.
Wala.
Kasi naman hindi naka-on. Sorry naman. Hello. Okay, so are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah! Palakpakan natin! Contestant number 2, Taiki!
wanna go to Disneyland now?
Thank you very much. Our next contestant, from the series Rotary Waves, as Rover. Please welcome Miyake Haruko. Ay, may fans na isa. Dali. Ay. Hello, kamusta naman?
Medyo kinakabago pero hindi ko na po kaya ko pong lagpasan itong ayos na.
Okay lang na, masaya ka naman eh. Oh, say hi to your fans kung sumisigaw.
Hello guys!
Ay, apat pala sila. Your friends. Ay, good luck daw sabi. So, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Ready na siya. Okay, contestant number 3, Miyake.
Shaking your heart, shaking your beat 時代をかけてく Jump, jump 焦らないジェネレーションを君と One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, jump 始まりなのさ Don't look back 遅いせい日のは続け出したじゃん絶対逃せない走り始めたらノンストップ目まぐるしく変わってくビジョンどんな景色をつかめるだろう君へと流れるこのメロディーに伝わってない歌をしてくように We can fly away. Alright, here we go. Making a dream, making a sky. 誰より先まで Step, step,進んでいく未来はこの手の中に Shaking your heart, shaking your feet この手で見せるよ Jump, jump 焦らないジェネレーションを君と One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, let's go!
Salamat, wow! Wow, galing naman ang kanyang mga friends. Very supportive. Galing. O, pag nanalo, may points ka sa kanya. Contestant number 4 from the Avatar The Last Airbender as Avatar Kiyoshi Amari. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Ano ang kakantahin?
It's from Dororo, Fire by Queen Bee.
Okay. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, contestant number 4, please welcome Amari.
Don't say
as Lars Alexanderson. Please welcome Jerome.
Haru.
Ayan, Jerome. Ano naman yung kino-costume there?
Lars from Thailand.
Wow, ganda ng sapatos ha. Parang kapitan na ha.
Meet up.
Parang close kami. Okay. Sino mga friendship po dyan? May mga kasama ka ba dyan?
Andun na kami ganun, nasa booth na pa.
Hindi ka sinusupport. Huwag ka mag-alala. Marami kami dito para sumupport sa'yo. Ready ka na ba?
Alright.
Okay, palakpakan natin contestant number 5, Jerome! Contestant number 5, thank you very much. Ang ganda. Ang sa'yo, nasa ka na. Makasign mo na yun. Okay. First, safety reminders po tayo mga kapatid. As an important reminder for everyone here at the Cosplay Mansion 2025, make sure to secure and keep an eye over your valuables at all times. Yung mga gamit niyo po dyan ha, huwag niyo kakalimutan. Pag nakita ko yan, sorry na. Let's also keep our surrounding clean. Pakilinis lang po ang inyong mga kalat. Please also be mindful of others when using the restrooms. To the cosplayers, for your convenience, we have the baggage counter where you can deposit your belongings. It's located near the escalator at the church side. Just be reminded that it will be closed at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. po, hindi po 7:01. We ask for everyone's cooperation, patience, and understanding and work together to make sure that the event is safe and fun for everyone. So, okay pa ba kayo? O, sige, wala kang Maggie. Hindi kayo okay. Okay pa ba kayo? O, sige, may Maggie daw. Pili kayo dyan, ha? Okay, contestant number 6 from Love Light Sunshine as Mari O'Hara. Wow! Hi, She! Sige, i-push mo. Yan. Sige. Yes. Ay, oo nga. Matikas na siya. Ayan.
Hello.
Yeah. Ang ganda-ganda naman. Ano ang kino-costume? Ano yung kino-cosplay ngayon?
I'm cosplaying as Mario O'Hara from Love Live Sunshine.
Your favorite is Love Life?
Yes.
Hindi agata, no?
Yeah.
Ang ganda-ganda. Sino gumawa?
I got it second hand.
It's okay. It's fit for you. Ano ang kakantahin natin?
I'm singing Shadowgate to Love by Guilty Kiss. It's a song sung by my own character.
You have a friends there all over.
Hi! I'd like to
Ayun,
say
at
hi
least
to
may
Jane
dalawa, may
Martin.
tatlo, apat. Okay na yan. May lima. Ay, friends ha. Okay, sige. Are you ready? Hindi ka na kinakabahan. Is this your first time?
First time joining ako.
First time! Ay, kabisado! Alam na alam. Okay, palakpakan natin. She! Yes, perfect. Thank you very much, Shin. Ay, galing. Next, our contestant number 7 from Attack on Titan as Iren Eager Wolf Coaster. Ayan, nabalian na ng paa. Kawawa naman. Ano kaya kakanta to? Ay! Oh my God, my fans! Hello, how are you?
I'm doing good.
I'm doing it. So, ano sabi ng Otro Bonnie? Okay ba?
Yes.
Ilang buwan kang ganyan?
Kanina lang.
Kanina lang. So, ilang buwan yung, ano mo? Next month, okay na na.
Yes.
O, sige. Ano ang kakantahin?
Rumbling.
Wrong way from?
Attack on Titan.
Oo nga, yun kasi alam mo sa'yo. O, sige. Kaya? Ready? First time? First time! Okay, contestant number 7, Wolf Coaster!
All I ever wanted to do was the right thing. Never wanted to be the king. All I ever wanted to do was save your life. Never wanted to grab the knife. Let's go! If I lose it all, sleep and fall, I'll never look away. If I lose it all, lose it all. If I lose it all outside the walls, it's a die another day. I don't want anything and just sit
Ayan, ganun pala si Eren, no? Kapag nakakapatay ng monster, nakakakanta. Pag biglang ganun po, Kaya ha, iba yun. Okay, next. Tumawa, natatawa. Contestant, ako kayo tumawa. Wala akong sinasabi. Contestant number 8. As Yoro from Paysaman. Oh, ay, ang daming friendship, isa lang sumisigaw. Ayun. Kilala mo ba yun? Mga friends, at least supportive. So, ilang taon mo pinaghandaan tong magsuri na to para makakanta ka?
First time ko yun.
Ay, first time! Kaya pala very supportive eh. 5% daw sa kanila ha. Anong kakantahin?
Setting sun po.
Setting Sun.
Yes, by Yoroshika.
Ay, ganda. Feeling ko love story ang ano na yan. Tapos ganun sila. Tapos di sila nagkatuluyan, nag-asawa naman ko. Ano daw? Parang iba yung narinig ko. Anyway, sige. Okay ka lang, hindi ka kinakabahan kasi first time mo. Supportive yan ang ating mga audience. Di ba supportive kayo sa first time? Basta, supportive ka na. Contestant number 8, palakpakan natin, Shio! Our contestant number 9, Uma Musume Pretty Derby, as Nejiro Kumakwin. Ay, dandan paray. Miss Kana! Saan ang location? Batangas! From Batangas City! First time? First time! At parang wala kayo sigla. First time! Bakit ganun? Kasi 10% due. Okay. Ano kakantahin?
Make TV po.
Ah, alam nila. Pwede nila sabayan, di ba? Oh, pwede, libre naman. Okay, contestant number 9. Please welcome, Kana! supportive kayo. Okay, ano daw? Oo, basta yun na yun. Contestant number 10 from Girls Band Cry. As Nina Iseri Mucha. Mucha talaga pangalan mo. Ang cute naman ang gamit mo. Simple. Pero, lakas tama. Okay, ano kakantahin?
Genesis.
Okay, may mic ka rin.
New Genesis po ba?
From
One Piece.
One Piece. Talaga? Kaya mo yun? Ay! Merong friendship. Asan mga friends mo dyan?
Nandiyan lang po sa
Sa tabi-tabi. First time?
Yes po.
First time! Ay, nako, just impact. First time! Oh, okay na yun. Okay ka na? Hindi ka kinakabahan?
Nakaban.
Ay, wala yan. Huwag mo silang pansinin, kunyari ikaw lang dito sa venue. Okay? Contestant number 10, Mucha! Wow, galing! Thank you very much! Next, contestant number 11 from Vocaloid, Hatsune Miku Saki! Hi, Saki! How are you?
A little nervous, but I think I can do it.
You think you can do it? So what you gonna sing?
I'm going to sing Piece of That by Mika Nakashima.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it a hand applause. Please welcome Saki. contestant number 12 from Chainsaw Man as Denji. Please welcome to. Hello. Hi. How are you today?
I'm doing great. How about you?
What you're gonna see?
Have you watched the Razor movie? On this out!
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, ba't kayo tumatawa? You're so very active.
I hope you all are having a great time. Let's run it.
Let's rock and roll, no? Hindi ako makatawa. Okay. Congratulations. Ngayon, because I'm so very happy. Because you're so very happy, you make me cry. Nahihirap ko na mag-English. Okay, contestant number 12, please welcome to...
You know this. Let me see you raise your hands up. 다음에 너미서는 나를 야매로 바깥으로 그만하는 다른 데는 한바람을 아무도 비라면 기억이야 That's philosophy 신호도 하와이 커맨스가 네가 신호도 그래도 그라 바르바크란 생각에 못하는 우리 rum을 여기까지 신도이 많이 바라바라 나타나는 것이다 때론 약간 I am you 같은 게 일단 도쇼 걸어보여 도쇼 알아보고 사람의 같은 깨어린 날 있어 꼭 같이 날 몰아채냈어 코너를 길이다 다 있을까
I love you, Manila! Dapat yung gano'n. Okay, kung tuna kayo tumawa, hindi ako makatawa. Contestant number 13 from Love Live, Gigi Kasaki as Rina Tennoji Ashuri. Hello! Hi! Sino mga kausama mo dyan ngayon?
Hindi ko po sila kita.
Ay.
Ako ang sila movie.
Sige, paraw tayo. Wala, pang reading class lang ako. Ayun, may nagkakaway. Ayun, hi! Ayan. So, anong kakantahin natin?
Eclipse.
Eclipse? Total eclipse or eclipse lang?
Eclipse.
Eclipse lang. From?
From The Little Lies We All Tell.
Okay. So, palakpakan natin contestant number 13, Ashuri.
Cosplay Mastery! Let's go! Tawagin na rin daming pagkasama. Pinag-aaway ko yung sinan niya. Isa, ang
Thank you very much, Ashari. Next, we have contestant number 14, Oshinoko. From Oshinoko as Ashina Ai. Please welcome Sheila or Sheila Sarah. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Ayan. Hello po. Ayan. Is this your first time? Hindi. Okay lang. Sige. Sino kasama mo dyan? Ayun, your friends.
Wala po akong
Wala pa lang ka friends. Sino mga friends niya? You have lots of friends there. Kinakabahan ka ba? Ay, oo nga. Kinakabahan ka. Ay, gusto ko, napakalamig ang kamay mo. Iha. Kaya yan. Palakpakan natin. Kinakabahan siya. Okay lang yan. Ready ka na. Hindi na malalim, okay? Okay. Contestant number 14, Sheila Sarah.
I say yes or no 君のそばにいるよどんな未来が裏を時計したってきっと二人の夢巡り合えたのは君の声聞こえたからそうビジな出来事離れた生きても生まれきれば生まれるときめきと負けんきと裏腹でハラハラするけど Stay with me now 君の守りたいよ生まれたけど I say yes ずっと君のそばにいるよ Forever
Alam mo hinahabol. Okay, make sure to make the most out of the final event of the year and when sharing your special memorable moments here at the Cosplay Matsuri and the social media, don't forget to use our official hashtag, Cosplay Matsuri 2025. A reminder for everyone, make sure to treat everyone with respect and provide a comfortable experience for everyone. Ask before touching someone or taking their photos. Please also respect their decision if they don't allow it. Remember to always be polite, respectful, and considerate to others. Please report incidents of harassment to one of the staff or members of the events. And let's all make Cosplay Matsuri 2025 fun and memorable experience for everyone. Next, cosplayer number 15 from Love Live, Nico Yasawa, Yume. Hi, Yume. How are you? So this one from the Love Live Club.
Yes po, the official Otoniki Zaka uniform.
Okay, and ang kakantahin mo ay?
I'm going to sing the opening one, Bokuro wa ima no naka de.
Oh, alam nila. Are you ready, Yume?
No.
Oh, kaya yan. Okay, palakpakan natin. Contestant number 15, Yume. Via Lexer Luna. Hi! Parang natatanda ako kita. Oh, gabi ko. So, sino mga kasama mo dito ngayon?
Kasama ko ngayon.
Ayun, yung tatlo. Yes, your friendship. Anong kakantayin natin?
Masay yung chasing Bible.
Ano na?
Masay yung chasing Bible.
Okay. Hindi ka naman kinakabahan?
Kinakabahan ako.
Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Nandiyan naman sila para supportahan ka. Okay, palakpakan natin. Contestant number 16, Luna. Ayan. And our last but not the least from Demon Slayer, Asgio Torika. Please welcome contestant number 17, Sayuka. Hello, sir.
Oh,
How are you now?
okay lang.
Okay lang, kinakabahan ka?
Medyo.
Is this your first time? First time! Parang natakot sila. Ano kakantahin natin?
Yung flowers.
Oh, nakikita mo ba? Lakihan mo. Parang ano.
Ano ba?
Kaya mo yan.
Ano ba?
Nakanidig class ka, no? Paraw tayo. Yan. Sige. Good. Ganyan mo. Ikaw na yung last.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, palakpakan natin. Contestant number 17, Sayuko.
Alright guys, there you have them! Our extremely talented contestants for Annie's Summit Contest, Singing Contest, powered by our incredible partners, Glamazon Boutique. Koreana K-Shop, and Whatapichan Shopu.